You can connect multiple chalkboard displays together to create a multi-hinged chalkboard display from post-up stand. Place the hinges to the desired area of the side of your frame and use a drill to drill in the holes of the hinges to create a pilot hole for the screws. Once the pilot holes are created, drill in the screws through the holes of the hinges to connect it using a 1/16 drill bit. Repeat the same with your other chalkboard displays to screw in and attach the hinges so that you can connect them together. Now that your hinges are attached to the chalkboard displays and you've connected them together, attach the rubber caps to the bottom frame of the chalkboards. And drill to tighten the screws into the bottom of the frame with the washer attached to the rubber stoppers. Break the top part of the plastic pin in the hinge off and then place it in the hole of the hinge to attach the displays together. Now take your liquid chalk markers and write any messages you want to share on the plastic board that is UV, scratch, and water resistant. Any message can be cleanly erased with spray cleaner that is sold separately for smudge-free cleaning of your multi-hinged chalkboard.